Ayan na, how to mikos-mikos. Hindi ko na dinetails. Pati pag stencil hanggang matapos kasi walang videographer. Wala tayong afford. Second tattoo client this evening. Morning lang natin to na voice over kasi ito lang ang bakante natin. Thank you for trusting us. Double C Pintados. Physic Mingawan TV Vlogs. I'm back.